Today I'm sharing options for December daily albums. Welcome back to Emily's Paper Caper, where you'll find inspiration to scrap your stash. This time of year, we've all been shopping online and we've seen the December daily kits that are out for 2018. But I'm here to show you an option. If you're not quite sure that you want to dedicate time to a December daily, you're not sure it'll click with you, here's an option to make one using scraps on hand. I want to walk you through my 2017 December daily to give you an idea of what you can do without the kit, just to see if you're into daily journaling and scrapbooking. Take a look. For my December daily in 2017, I chose a small album that had been in my stash for many years. I thought smaller was better to try out this daily format. I used paper scraps on each page and tried to leave space for journaling. This page is about my friend Sonia. She's the one who got me considering to try December daily. Sometimes I have photos on the pages and sometimes I don't. I also included just random receipts or scraps when they were relevant. I used a snowflake stamp set that I've had for many years on the background of many of these pages. I thought the silver ink I used really stood out nicely on each page. We trimmed the tree and I made sure to include a photo on that page. And here's an example of scraps. We played a game called Farkle and kept our score sheet, and I put it on that page. These next several pages only have journaling, and that's okay. It's the option to do whatever you want to do and whatever makes sense. We had a couple college kids come home for a couple of days, and so that's documented. And I saved some tags from gifts from friends because I thought that they were lovely and a nice memory. And some days my journaling is very quick and short. Other days it's a little longer. I documented about the snow we expected for Christmas and managed to get a picture in there. I documented what we had for breakfast and who came on Christmas morning. During the week between Christmas and New Year's, we went to a couple movies, and I've added our movie ticket stubs on those pages. And I've documented all the way through New Year's Eve, which was a fun thing. Now, everything that happens during December isn't always a happy memory, but still we need to document life. And at the end of the book, I've documented about a friend who suddenly passed away on Christmas Day. And I want to remember her, and that was an important thing that happened during the month of December. That's my album. So, that's how my December daily turned out for 2017. I even have a 2018 album all ready to go because I decided I really liked this format for journaling and remembering the holidays. And I can add a few photos here and there as well. If you'd like to see what my 2018 setup looks like, I'll provide a link to that video below. Please comment. Let me know if you plan to do December daily or not and what supplies you plan to use. And maybe you've thought of a different approach, and we'd love to hear about that too. So please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time. Until then, keep on scrapping, everybody. Toodles!